Welcome back everyone. In my previous video I shared a short setup in Bitcoin, and that trade played out perfectly. Price moved exactly from my entry straight into my target zone, with no stress and no drawdown. Today I'm going to show you exactly why I predicted that move. Let's break it down. Here's the short setup I shared earlier. My entry was around 91.4k. And my target was the purple zone around 83 to 84k. This trade wasn't luck, it was pure liquidity, structure and confirmation. Price respected everything perfectly. Well, let's have a look at the liquidation heat map. This is model 2. I'm always checking Binance and Bybit also. Model 2 responds faster than Model 3 and shows the active liquidation pressure. Look at this area, around 90k. A huge bright liquidity band from late longs, but what really matters is what's under it. You see, a lot of liquidations were here. This is a liquidity vacuum. Once price breaks into it, it accelerates downward because every step triggers more liquidations. That's exactly what happened during the crash. Price moved smoothly from one liquidation pocket to the next. Model 2 alone already suggested a deep move lower. Now let's have a look at the liquidation heat map Model 3, also Binance. Model 3 is slower, more stable, and it shows the big liquidity shelves that act like magnets. Notice this. Up here around 92k, there's a thick liquidity band where a lot of late longs were trapped. Below that, the next major liquidity shelf was sitting untouched around 85. When price is inside the upper shelf and there's a clean, untouched liquidity block far below, the market usually moves from one shelf to the next. This is why I had fully confidence in my short. Model 3 confirmed the same direction as Model 2. And then the reaction. Price nuked straight from my entry level into the lower liquidity shelf, exactly where I placed my target. This was a clean liquidity rotation from the upper zone into the lower zone. So when people say you just got lucky, no, this wasn't luck. This was liquidity. This was structure. This was clear confirmation across all major maps. The 24-hour map showed liquidity below. Model 2 showed active downward pressure. Model 3 showed the macro liquidity shelves. They all pointed in the same direction, and the market followed perfectly. If you want more videos like this, more breakdowns and more live setups, make sure to subscribe and follow me on X. Link is in the description. See you in the next one. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. Nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research and trade responsibly.